Hi, welcome to Smart Academy. Now we discuss about the SCU MSc Physics 2018 solutions. So in this we have a question here 58 number. So based on the resistors. So before going to that, now we discuss about initial fundamentals. Suppose that we consider these two resistors which are connected in the series. The resultant resultant resistance that can be written as here like this. Let it be R1 and R2. When we are connected in the series, this resultant vector like this R1 plus R2 here. Okay. Suppose if these two resistors which are connected in parallel to each other like this, the resultant vector for these two resistors, resultant resistance or effective resistance can be written as here 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Okay, when we solve R effective, directly we can written as here R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. Okay, so this is the condition or principle for the when two resistors connected in the series. This is the effective or resultant resistance when these two resistors connected in the series and parallels. Okay, so now we have a problem here. So in the following circuit, each resistor is of resistance is 1 ohm. What is the net resistance between A and B if the chain is infinite length? Okay, so this AB, between the AB, now we find out the resultant or net resistance. So these are connected in infinite length here. These are connected in the infinite length. So to find out the net resistance, now let it be this series from up to here. Let it be total X. This value, let it be X. This is totally always repeated here like this infinite times. So that's why these are all. Let it be here X. Okay, so for that one, so now I draw the same diagram what we are considered. So like this is the, let it be first of all R resistance. This is also equal to R, A and B. So remaining all this infinite length like this X. Okay, this X means it is repeated all number of times. Okay, infinite lengths. So for this one, now we are applying this series and parallel combination here. So for this one, these two R and X are here parallel to each other, and this R is series with these two parallel resistance. That's why this X can be written as here, that is equal to R plus RX by R plus X. Okay, this resultant X is called here R plus RX by, these are two parallel resistors. That's why RX by R plus X. Already we have the formula, that is 1 by R effect equal to R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. That's why we are applying the parallel resultant net resistance value, that is for this Rx by r plus x we are getting. Next one, LCM is here r plus x. So this r into r plus x plus rx by r plus x, then implies this r plus x into x equal to r into r plus x plus rx. Okay, so then multiplying this one, we are getting rx plus x square equal r square plus rx plus rx. Simplifying this, x square, this rx get cancelled here, x square minus rx minus r square equal to 0. Okay, so now we are calculating the factors for this one. So that's x equal to, we have a formula, that is minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So now we are applying the factors, formula for this one. But x equal to minus b means here r, minus into minus plus, or plus or minus under root b square. B square means r square minus 4, a value, this coefficient of x square is 1, and c means here minus r square by 2a. A equal to here x square coefficient is 1. Okay, then x equal to r plus or minus under root of r square plus 4r square by 2. This is the x value here. So now we take the common of r from this one, x equal to r of 1 plus or minus under root of, this one is 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. Okay, but in this question, this r equal to 1 mho. Okay, this combination of circuit here, the resistance value is 1 mho. So if we are substituting r equal to 1, then we are getting that x equal to 1 into 1 plus or minus root 5 by 2. Okay, nothing but this is equal to, it may be 1 plus root 5 by 2 or 1 minus root 5 by 2. But if you are observing the given options, so this root 5 plus 1 by 2 is the correct answer. It's carried with the C. So this option C is correct. Okay.